What I enjoy about this role is it allows me to try my skills at a variety of different products that AES make across a variety of our workshops around the world. It allows me to work on one-off components that are very unique. So the thing I liked about the AMRC Training Centre was the varying levels of experience that all the trainers had, and they never once held me back from progressing further than the rest of my group, which freed up time at the end of my curriculum to work on flexible, more personal projects which I get to design and work on.
Dalton is the cam apprentice. He's a great guy to work with. He's a friendly guy. He has got ideas what he's willing to chuck into us and help the department. With his apprenticeship at the AMRC, we can tell that he has learned the basic foundations of an engineer, which he's brought into CAM as well as being a machinist. He'll quickly progress. I think he could have a route into design, maybe back on the shop floor. I think he's got a good future.
My future at AES, I'm hoping to start my degree apprenticeship next year, starting September, to work towards getting my BEng and bachelor's degree in manufacturing. And I would also like to work towards becoming a technical expert at CAM programming into a production engineer role rather than just generate CNC programs.